Every day, your body is searching for balance. Balance in energy, hormones, brain function, and even your mood. But the oils most people consume on a daily basis can easily tip the scale in the wrong direction. Refined seed oils, hidden in so many packaged foods, silently disrupt this balance, while natural, cold-pressed seed oils can help restore it. Refined industrial seed oils are heated, bleached, and chemically processed. They lose their natural nutrients and become high in unstable fats that oxidize easily. These damaged compounds fuel inflammation, disrupt metabolism, and over time, increase the risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. They work against your body's natural rhythm instead of with it. The difference lies in choosing oils that are cold-pressed, unrefined, and nutrient-dense. These oils preserve their vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, supporting heart health, brain clarity, immune strength, and overall wellness. Instead of draining your energy, they bring your body back into balance. That's why at The Well-Being's Way, where ancient wisdom of nutrition meets modern living, we carefully select only the purest. Every oil we recommend meets our strict criteria: pure, natural, cold-pressed, virgin, unrefined, non-GMO, free of additives and artificial ingredients. Many are handcrafted in small batches, award-winning, and sourced from organic farms around the world. Here are some of the most powerful seed oils you can add to your lifestyle. 1. Flaxseed oil. Handcrafted in small artisanal batches, this mild oil is rich in plant-based omega-3s, ALA, lignans, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It supports heart vitality, brain focus, and gentle digestive balance. Perfect for salads, smoothies, porridge, or even wellness rituals and massage blends. 2. Premium black seed oil, Nigella sativa, known for centuries as the seed of blessing. Cold-pressed and pure, it aids digestion, supports immunity, enhances brain function, and helps maintain joint mobility. A true powerhouse for everyday resilience. 3. Organic pumpkin seed oil, straight from Styrian farms. This oil is loaded with phytonutrients that support prostate health, urinary function, and overall vitality. It's also rich in zinc and magnesium, making it great for both men and women. 4. Healthy grapeseed oil, with a light, nutty flavor, it's a chef's favorite for salads, marinades, and finishing dishes. High in vitamin E and antioxidants, rich in linoleic acid, and very low in saturated fat, making it an excellent choice for a heart-friendly, plant-based diet. 5. Organic hemp seed oil, cold-pressed and unrefined. Hemp oil is a perfect balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. It supports healthy skin, reduces inflammation, and provides essential magnesium. It's as versatile in the kitchen as it is in skincare. Liu, rice bran oil, light and nutty, perfect for stir-fries, frying, and dressings. Rich in vitamin E, phytosterols, and oryzanol, it helps manage cholesterol and supports cardiovascular health, all while being gentle on digestion. 7. Poppy seed oil, handcrafted in small batches for a delicate finish. Rich in linoleic acid, vitamin E, calcium, magnesium, and plant antioxidants, it supports relaxation, skin hydration, and hair care. Perfect for both culinary use and beauty rituals. You'll find direct links to each of these oils in the description below. And if you want to dive deeper with even more recommendations for food-grade and external use oils, check out our full blog post, also linked below. Choose wisely, replace refined oils with nourishing cold-pressed seed oils, and bring balance back to your body and mind. Because health isn't just about avoiding the bad, it's about choosing the good every single day.